Welcome back to Everyday Adventures. I'm Brad and this is Zach, and tonight we came out here with no plans for supper. All we've brought are ingredients and we're going to see if ChatGPT can turn it into something edible. Come along with us.
Weird.
Real quick, it sounds like someone's stuck over there, so we might go help them out. I just can't tell. Yep, they're definitely stuck, so we're gonna run down there and just see what's going on quick. Alright, hang on just a second. Hey man, did you get stuck? Holy shit!
Yeah, there's no stopping getting in that one.
Oh man, yeah, no, I got you. I'll help you get out.
How big is your strap?
Alright, yeah, once I get some tension in it, then...
We'll just slide with you.
Okay.
I think so.
Good?
Ready.
Need to follow you out the rest of the way to the road. Just in case.
Yeah, right. What are the odds of this happening here?
Right? We're just following him out right now, just to make sure he gets out, and then we're gonna head back to our spot. Yeah, not a problem, man. All right, we're back at the camp. So now I'm gonna go through the ingredients that we have. So now that we have all the ingredients laid out, I'm just gonna feed the ingredient list into ChatGPT and we're gonna go from there. All right, ChatGPT, I have all the ingredients here for us. I'm just gonna list them out. I have turkey gravy, Tabasco sauce, ground beef, cheese, potatoes, garlic, onion, lettuce, cooking oil. I have some water, and I have seasonings. Now, I did bring along also some tin foil, and I do not have a stove. What can you think of us making?
Let's turn that campfire into our stove. We can make foil packet cheeseburger style bundles. Mix the ground beef with garlic, onion, and seasoning. Slice the potatoes and layer them in foil. Add the beef mixture on top, drizzle a bit of gravy, and wrap it up tightly. Let those packets cook in the coals. When done, open them up, melt a cheese slice, and top with a dash of Tabasco and some fresh lettuce. A smoky, cheesy campfire burger bowl.
Perfect. All right, let's get to it. Just so you know, I've been very polite with you, so if you can remember that whenever AI takes over the world.
Don't worry, I'm all about helpful campfire recipes, not world takeovers. But I'll always remember your kindness. Now let's enjoy that meal.
All right, so it seems like we're good for world domination for a little bit, but before we do start prepping out all the food, Zach is getting cold, so I'm gonna get the fire going for him. But the fire's going and Zach is warm. Now we're gonna start prepping out the food and get supper going. Oh no! Still gonna eat it. No. I just remembered that I have tinfoil, which I can use to cut things on, instead of cutting it on that disgusting table. No, I said that is funny. Let me know in the comment section too, when cooking over, or technically in a fire, if it matters what side of the tinfoil goes down. Got both of them ready. We're gonna hop over to the fire and get this put in. Hey ChatGPT, about how long should we be cooking these for?
Typically, those foil packets will need around 20 to 30 minutes in hot coals, depending on the heat. I check them at about the 20-minute mark. Potatoes tender, cheese melty, and you'll be golden.
All right, awesome, thank you.
Guys. Oh, did you see that?
Mm-hmm. They've been in there about 22, 23 minutes, so we're gonna check on them and see how they're doing. They need a bit longer. Turned out really good, so I'm gonna just take a piece of cheese, pop it on top of that one, and it should be good. We're skipping the lettuce. We're so hungry, I don't really even feel like cutting the lettuce up right now. So, how was supper, buddy? Good? Mm-hmm. Enjoying your soda?
Yeah, because of the hot sauce.
Because the hot sauce was hot?
Yeah. Woo!
Mm-hmm. Well, I got the car warming up. That's it for tonight's video. Did you have fun, Zach?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all that matters. So, but we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.